Hello, hello, hello. We're live now. Good day, everyone. So, Dork Prince here. So, this is another episode of our Sunday live analysis. So, during this Sunday live, we're just gonna talk about a weekly analysis, especially on the higher time frames of the market. So, let's start off with our forex pairs. So, just note, guys, if you do have any questions, concerns, of you have any request of pairs for me to analyze, just comment on the chat. Just let me know in the chat section. Got it? Yes. So let's start off with our forex pairs. So let's start with GBP USD. So we're on the weekly time frame of our GBP USD, and on GBP USD, I think GBP USD will be bullish this week. And the first opening, yes, and the first market opening, like for Monday, price may drop first, like until here on this section, right on this week, for the price to like create a week for the weekly, and same for the daily. So right now we just the last candlestick, the daily candlestick, just mitigated our um lowest POI, which is below the broken trend line resistance. And we have this um POI just got retested. I mean, just got mitigated, and I think this POI is on 3R. Oh no, I think this, yes, this is it. I think, yeah. Let me just, yes, it's a 45-minute POI or support. This is a support right here. And in this scenario, for if we are gonna base on higher time frame, like daily, weekly, and 4 hours. Am I lagging? Yep. So here on the higher time frame from GBP USD or pound dollar, we're looking for the price to break this high for this week. We're gonna look for price to um, break this high. So what we're gonna do is go to 15 minutes time frame or 5-minute time frame, and we're gonna look for buy positions, just like what I told you guys. So we have here on 5 minutes. Let's go first. 15 minutes. You have a break of structure, and on 5 minutes time frame, let's just mark them up. So we see that the price is just created high, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. Let's use this on GBP USD, and it's the low and high, low, then high, Then we can see here that there's a liquidity grab right here. LG below. Then there's a break of structure right here. And then we have this change of character right here. And if you can see on 5 minutes, we have this POI right here. And we're going to target this section of the market. This will be the highest target, this area right here. And here's our trade for GBP USD. Point of interest. And then we're going on USD CAD. So on USD CAD, we're still yep, just like what I told you last week, the price may mitigate this area, then go here, then bounce again. So let's see if the price will break this low, and then we can see a down movement from USD CAD. But let's check first on uh, the higher time frame. We're still looking for price to mitigate this area. I mean to touch. This is our just our target price for this trade, and we're looking for 11 our risk reward ratio. But I'm looking for price to go up here on this area. And if you'll ask me why, it's because of this. This is actually the uh, negative 25% of the fib, and this is usually the where the price is um, going first, or the price usually mitigating these two levels first, before they go down. So this is a reversal point for me, this area. If you're a scalper, or you have time to watch the market, and there's no big volume news on the market, then you can do a reversal trade or a counter trade on markets that are on a good trend. Just like this, you can check this. I'll just show you an example right here. So before the price go down, it went on this area first before retracing again, and also on this area there. That's on daily. So we're still looking for price to go there. So on this retracement, we also can see that the price um, took some mitigate I mean um took some liquidities in this area. That's why it really has have this volume to go down. and just like this, let's look for price where it may bounce. So for me, I actually don't. Let's try to look. Oh yeah, it's this area. This area. Where's that? It's this area. Yeah, this area will be like a good um entry if we're going to add an order on USD USD CAD. But let's just confirm on the Discord. I'll just send a signal if ever that this will be a confirmation. If I saw a good confirmation on this trade, yeah. Let's go. So on USD CAD, we're just waiting for the retracement because based on if we're gonna base on the higher time frame, here's our OTE. There's a new OTE down here, and 2 hours. Yep, these are just let's not trade on this area because I think because of the volume, it may like this would be a also a good liquidity, and the price can drop like a big drop right here just to mitigate some orders. There might be a lot of buy orders on this area down here, so they and also a lot of stop losses in this area. So I will avoid to trade on this level. Yep. So we're gonna go on our next pair, which is the Euro USD. So on Euro USD, so the market is currently on this RBS, and this is a strong RBS or a support right now because for like 4 days the market is bouncing on this. It's always being rejected on this support. Yeah, see. So there's a lot of stop losses in this area, and we also have this one. I think it's also a 2 hours. Oh no, just an hour. This is also a demand. Where's that? Yes, this is a demand zone. And here also. We also have a demand here. this is also a valid. This is a good entry if you want to hold like swing trade this level, because for me this also a strong confirmation for me, and price may really like come back in this area because there's a stop hunt right here. Stop losses below this area just got hit. Just a lot of traders just got liquidated on this level, and the price left this point of interest in this area and left us this good imbalance, and that's why I'm looking for price to go back on these two, especially these two, because this is a break of structure and this is a demand and this is a setup for me, for us. And this area, this might be an inducement. We can see small we can see movements in this area like for 20 20 to 50, 20 to 50 pips maximum. That will be the maximum, I think, but we cannot um, hold trades on this area just for scalps. But for this two, these are the positions that can be good on swing trades. But let's wait for confirmations first before trading. And don't trade if you just a note, guys. Don't trade if you don't know the current movement of the market. If you don't understand the market, then don't trade. Don't trade it. And that's it for also for your USD. We're looking for the price to drop on these levels, because if you look on daily time frame, we can see here that the price is doing a retracement. And let's now go on AUD USD. So just like they actually have the same they have the same chart on GBP USD. They also have both have this trend line. This jet got this that just got um broken, and yeah, right here we have this trade. And if you look here on, I think this is 8 hour. Yes, there's this order block that I saw, and the price just retested the broken trend line, and also a 4 hour point of interest or a demand area just got mitigated. So this would be the good. So for reversals, for a good um, confirmation of entry right here, especially the price just mitigated our demand zone on the on the higher time frame on a major level. Then we can go on 15 minutes and 5 minutes. Actually on 5 minutes we need to see at least, let's look for 5 minutes. Okay, so on 5 minutes there is this level, and we also have this trend line right here, which is a good liquidity bottom. And also this area. this, and we're gonna wait for the price to mitigate this area. So if you want to entry, it would go like this. If you're on a prop firm or you're on a challenge, if you're risking like 1% per trade, you can like risk 0.5 right here and zero point 0.5 on this level. If you're dividing your trades into two trades, then you can also divide your lot sizing or your positions. Instead of using just one lot, then you can use two um, zero point 0.5 lot or a 2.5 positions. For this, we're also looking for it to break this. And actually, if we're gonna base it on our yes, we're looking for price to go here. Here's our partial TP. This level, yes, this will be the level that we can take our partial profits. I think for these trades, no, but this is safe entry for now, because if we're gonna look here, there are really liquidities on this area on the lower time frames. Yep, so let's just wait first on Monday on Asian session. And we're finishing here, also here. Euro USD, and we're on Euro NZD. So on Euro NZD, we just hit our 2.3. We just hit this first TP on the 100% of the fib level, and we're looking for the price to mitigate our 0.25%. I mean negative negative 25. And after that, if the price will mitigate, if price will go to our reversal point, our reversal level, then here's our next entry, the demand zone. This is also a good setup. I also have a confirmation on this, a break of structure, imbalance. And actually, in 15 minutes, this is a change of character. On 15 minutes. And yep, we look for, actually price may just like do a quick tap on this area. Let's look on the we have a breaker block in this area, and if there are any breaker blocks trader, and yep, they have a pending orders in here, and price may create a liquidity grab right here just to mitigate orders right here. And that's it for your NZD. You have 2, 4, 5, and that's it for our forex pairs, and we're going now on our metals and our indexes. Let's start off with US30. Yes, and that's what, and just like what I mentioned on our last um, on our Sunday. It was Sunday. Yes, Sunday trade, that US30 is on a reaccumulation phase. This is the accumulation phase, and this will be the reaccumulation. And I also sent this trade because this area is a 1 hour, yes, 1 hour, a 1 hour order block, and we have a RBS right here, a good imbalance right here, and and the target for this is actually this area where the price may do its distribution phase. And on distribution phase, we can see the price to create a spring or a last upward movement just to mitigate this area, or maybe this in this area, because this area also is a will also can also be a liquidity. And yep, and now we're on a one, and right now we're on a run on US30. We already have 1:7 risk reward ratio. Isn't that great? And on 15 minutes, or maybe let's check on on 1 hour. We have this demand zone right here. Point of interest. Oh my god. Point of interest. Very good. We can look for buy entries on this area. So for this, trade, I mean for this pair US30, we're gonna see upward movement from this week. But tomorrow Monday, maybe we can see it like going down slowly to mitigate this. Then that's where the price will go up. And that's it for US30. And let's go with SPX. So on SPX, yep, just like US30, it's on a reaccumulation. And let's look if there's actually Here's the mm, demand zone. So it's the same with we just have this broken. Let's see if there are any other. I think the price will just. I think the price will just like mitigate this area, this demand right here, because on based on Wyckoff schematic, after this break, it just testing this last resistance or support that was broken. So on this level, this is the last resistance that just got broken, and this is the area that we saw that we're looking for the price to bounce. So this will be the zone for us, and if the price will go down, and yeah, actually the price may go down, and we're gonna look for price to go in this area, because on the RSI we have a divergence, a good divergence, hidden divergence. You can see here the price here is higher than this, which is when you look on the chart, the price on the chart is higher in this area than this, and the price may actually go until here on this level right here. Yep. This is a much better POI, especially these indexes are much more like greedy in getting stop losses, or like mitigating orders, not unlike on our forex pairs. Our forex pairs are just usually tapping the zones on on the weak area, but for this NAS, SPX, US30, and I don't know on the other indexes, they are eating the whole zone, or the whole um POI from the wick until the lower body, and that's where we'll place entry or layer here. If you're layering or just doing one order, two orders, that's fine. Depends on your risk management. Just always manage your risk. And also on NAS, same movements right here, and you can see on NAS mitigated this zone on the 4 hour, and you also see this area right here where the price may go down and mitigate this area. Also, a big divergence on this area, probably gonna go down to retrace within this week. So NAS, SPX, and US30, we're looking for them to we're looking for a downward movement for this week, and that's it. So that ends our live for so that so this ends our weekly live session on our Trador YouTube. So if you do have any questions or concerns, just feel free to join our Discord server and reach out to anyone. And yeah, bye. Thank you guys.